Benchmade knives are renowned for their exceptional quality and craftsmanship, offering a range of high-performance tools for various needs. Known for their precision engineering and durable materials, these knives feature sharp blades, ergonomic handles, and innovative designs. Whether for everyday carry, tactical use, or outdoor adventures, Benchmade knives provide reliability and excellence in every cut. Links to all the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 10. Benchmade Folding Adamas is a robust and versatile knife designed for those who demand reliability and strength in their gear. Featuring a durable CPM crew-rear steel blade, the Adamas offers exceptional edge retention and toughness, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The blade's drop-point shape ensures precise cutting and versatility, while the textured G10 handle provides a secure grip even in challenging conditions. The knife's robust AXISR lock mechanism guarantees smooth, reliable opening and closing, enhancing overall safety and ease of use. Additionally, the Adamas includes a reversible pocket clip for convenient carry and a lanyard hole for added versatility. Whether used in tactical situations, outdoor adventures, or everyday tasks, the Benchmade Folding Adamas combines durability, functionality, and premium craftsmanship to meet the highest standards. Number 9. Benchmade Taggedout is a high-performance folding knife designed for outdoor enthusiasts and hunters. Featuring a 3.5-inch CPM 154 stainless steel blade, it offers exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for rugged use. The blade's drop-point design ensures versatile cutting capabilities, while the ultra-lightweight grivery handle provides a secure and comfortable grip. Equipped with Benchmade's signature AXISR lock mechanism, the Taggedout allows for smooth, one-handed operation and reliable blade locking. Its orange thumb studs and backspacer add a touch of visibility and style, ensuring it stands out in any gear collection. Compact and durable, the Benchmade Taggedout is perfect for field dressing game, camping tasks, or everyday carry, embodying a blend of durability, functionality, and precision craftsmanship. Number 8. Benchmade Flyway is a specialized hunting knife designed for bird hunters and outdoor enthusiasts seeking precision and performance. Featuring a compact 2.7-inch CPM 154 stainless steel blade, it provides exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance, perfect for detailed tasks like breasting out birds or small game processing. The ergonomic G10 handle offers a secure, comfortable grip, even in wet conditions, ensuring control and precision. With its lightweight design and a blade optimized for clean, efficient cuts, the Flyway is both practical and portable, fitting easily into hunting kits or pockets. The knife's striking orange accents enhance visibility, reducing the risk of misplacement in the field. Combining durability, functionality, and meticulous craftsmanship, the Benchmade Flyway is an indispensable tool for hunters dedicated to excellence in the field. Number 7. Benchmade Fixed Adamas is a robust and durable tactical knife designed for heavy-duty use by military and outdoor professionals. Featuring a 4.2-inch CPM crew-rear steel blade, it delivers exceptional strength, edge retention, and wear resistance, ideal for the toughest tasks. The full tang construction ensures maximum durability, while the G10 handle scales provide a secure, comfortable grip in all conditions. The fixed Adamas includes a MOLLE-compatible sheath, offering versatile carry options and quick accessibility. Its rugged design and superior materials make it perfect for survival situations, bushcraft, and tactical applications. The knife also supports the Ranger Assistance Foundation, embodying Benchmade's commitment to quality and community. The Benchmade Fixed Adamas stands as a reliable, high-performance tool ready to meet the demands of any challenging environment. Number 6. Benchmade Om is a sleek and versatile folding knife, perfect for everyday carry and a variety of tasks. With a 3.4-inch CPM S30V stainless steel blade, it offers outstanding sharpness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. The blade's drop-point design ensures versatile functionality, suitable for precise cutting and general utility work. The Om features Benchmade's patented AXISR lock mechanism, providing smooth one-handed operation and secure blade locking. Its ergonomic handle, crafted from durable and lightweight materials, ensures a comfortable and reliable grip. Number 5. Benchmade The Presidio Bugout is a robust and reliable automatic knife designed for tactical and everyday use. Featuring a 3.72-inch CPM S30V stainless steel blade, it offers exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and cutting performance. The automatic opening mechanism ensures quick, one-handed blade deployment, making it ideal for rapid response situations. Its rugged ergonomic handle is constructed from black anodized 6061 T6 aluminum with a textured pattern, providing a secure and comfortable grip in all conditions. The AXISR lock ensures secure blade locking and easy closure. With its durable build and tactical design, the Presidio is perfect for military, law enforcement, and outdoor applications. Compact and powerful, this knife embodies Benchmade's commitment to quality, precision, and reliability, making it an essential tool for demanding environments. Number 4. Benchmade Meatcrafter is a precision-crafted fixed-blade knife, ideal for hunters, chefs, and outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a 6-inch CPM 154 stainless steel blade, it provides excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, ensuring clean, efficient cuts for meat processing and food preparation. The blade's hybrid design combines the flexibility of a fillet knife with the strength of a boning knife, making it versatile for various tasks. Its ergonomic, contoured handle made from Richlight and G10 scales offers a comfortable and secure grip, even during prolonged use. The Meatcrafter comes with a durable sheath for safe storage and easy transport. Combining superior craftsmanship, functionality, and innovative design, the Benchmade Meatcrafter stands out as an essential tool for precision cutting and culinary excellence in the field or kitchen. Number 3. Benchmade The Claymore is a formidable and reliable automatic knife designed to meet the rigorous demands of tactical and everyday use. Boasting a 3.6-inch CPM D2 steel blade, it delivers superior edge retention, strength, and resistance to wear and corrosion. The blade's tanto profile enhances its piercing capability, making it ideal for tough tasks. The knife features an auto-opening mechanism for swift, one-handed deployment and a textured, glass-filled nylon handle that ensures a secure, comfortable grip in all conditions. With a reversible deep carry pocket clip, the Claymore offers versatile carry options. Its robust construction and practical design make it an indispensable tool for military, law enforcement, and outdoor applications. The Benchmade Claymore exemplifies durability, functionality, and precision, making it a trusted companion for any challenging environment. Number 2. Benchmade Mini SOCP is a compact and highly effective tactical knife designed for discreet carry and quick deployment. With a 2.22-inch CPM 3V steel blade, it offers exceptional toughness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. The knife's dagger-style blade and skeletonized handle ensure lightweight agility and a secure grip, perfect for self-defense and close-quarter situations. The integrated finger ring allows for rapid access and retention, while the included injection-molded sheath facilitates various carry options, including MOLL compatibility. Despite its small size, the Mini SOCP maintains robust performance and durability, making it an ideal backup tool for military personnel, law enforcement, and civilians seeking reliable self-defense. Combining Benchmade's renowned craftsmanship with tactical practicality, the Mini SOCP is a versatile and indispensable addition to any gear collection. Number 1. Benchmade Bugout family is a collection of ultra-lightweight and highly versatile folding knives designed for everyday carry and outdoor adventures. Featuring premium CPM S30V or CPM S90V stainless steel blades, these knives offer exceptional sharpness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. The Bugout's ergonomic handles, made from durable grivery or carbon fiber, provide a comfortable and secure grip while keeping the weight minimal. The AXISR lock mechanism ensures smooth, one-handed operation and secure blade locking. Available in various sizes and colors, the Bugout family caters to different preferences and needs, from compact models for discreet carry to full-sized versions for more demanding tasks. Renowned for their reliability, functionality, and sleek design, the Benchmade Bugout knives are perfect for those seeking a dependable and high-performance EDC tool.